stunning views overlooking Lebanon and the valley from your 2016 custom-built home by award-winning builder Bergby Construction. On 2.3 acres just outside of Lebanon, this open floor plan home has 9-foot ceilings, reclaimed wood tray ceilings, gorgeous stone gas fireplace feature, custom barn doors, large master west/walk-in tile shower, tall windows and patio opening up to a large covered patio perfect for entertaining and viewing on quiet mornings. Outdoors is beautifully landscaped west/hot tub and undergr sprinklers.